nothing. There's still a chance for us to change and take us to a better place. Yeah, it's the way that you feel. That's alright. You're just keeping it real. Out of sight. Don't give up on the dream. It's still time to move on over. Come on, it's the way that you feel. That's alright. You're just keeping it real. Out of sight. Don't give up on the dream. We still got time to move on over. There's still time to think it over and make it right. Make it right. Oh, make it right. Make it right.
So mga paps, magandang umaga nga po sa inyong lahat, no? At ito nga po tayo babalik ng update para nga po dito sa Calax. Ngayon nga mga paps ay andito tayo sa may sa may alignment niya sa subsection 1, yung open canal 2, Kawit interchange, no? So papunta nga po tayo ng MPT South Hub. And gusto ko muna magpasalamat, no, sa invitation kaya from MPT, no, or South Hub nga, ito MPTC, kay Sir Third, no, tsaka kay Ma'am Joan, para nga po dito sa ating program ngayon, para dito sa construction update ng Calax. Though inaabot nga po tayo ng ulan mga paps, no, pero bahagyang tumila naman at medyo araw-araw na nga. So sana magtuloy-tuloy nga yung magandang panahon, no, para maganda yung ating pag-update dito nga po sa Calax. So ito na nga po yung alignment, no. Ang labas nga po nito is doon nga po sa may open canal interchange na. And nandito naman po sa lugar na ito ay ang MPT South Hub. So dito po ang meeting place natin mga paps.
So, but before that, third will introduce po muna yung ating mga media partners that are present here today. And then we also at MPT South will introduce ourselves just so we can be familiarized with each other.
Good morning. I'm Dirk Alam, Corporate Communication Supervisor of MPT South. It's nice to see all of you today and thank you po sa time na binigay ninyo para makita po natin yung progress ng ating Calax. So, here with us today is Sir Bochi Santos from Visor, and then si Sir Fishcan and his wife from Napachero, Cavite naman po. Sir Brando Rosales from Motopinas.com, and then si Sir James Tagbe po from Autohaven PH, Sir Joey Pestaño from Progreso Pilipinas, and Sir Ross Del Rosario from What's Up Pilipinas. And yan po. Sila po yung part ng project sa Calax. Si Sir Lou, Sir Jonathan, Sir Bart, Sir Amen, and then si Ma'am din. And then si Sir Pupot Soweto.
Morning.
And from our team po, nabigyan na po si Third, again, I'm Joan Miranda po from the Integrated Communications Department. So with us today is our Vice President for Communication and Stakeholder Management, si Ms. Arlette. Some of you may be familiar. And yan, si AJ po, also part of our Corpcom team, and we'll meet the rest of the team naman po later. So without further ado, to kick off this ocular, we'll have a few messages po from Ms. Arlette.
Now, actually, I'd just like to welcome everybody
First class naman! Number one, we are so far now blessed with sunny weather.
Yes.
So, thank God. Kanina alas 5 nung nagising ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, paano kami mag-o-okay? Diba? Of course, at this point, I just like to say welcome to everybody. And of course, we are very thankful na you're going to help us again tell the story of Calax out there, no? Sa inyong mga followers, at saka sa inyong mga readers. And we're always grateful for the support and the friendship that we have already established. Of course, ang aming mga magigiting at magaganda engineers will be with you today so that we can have a visual of what the video is going to show you. Diba? So you will experience Calax. Alright? Thank you very much. And actually, mapapamanhin din ako na hindi ako makakasama sa buong Ocular. Supposedly, makakasama ko, yun yung schedule. However, we have an emergency.
Trapped in a cage, oh no. But mama taught me, she said, son, there's a much better way, oh. If you give her space to bloom, she'll be good to you. She's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her spread her wings. Could be a movie star, beauty queen, doctor, lawyer, anything. Long as she's by my side, girl, she's alright.
Okay, so mga paps, andito nga po tayo ngayon sa Kawit Interchange, no, or itong subsection 1. Yan yung toll plaza nila.
Are there plans or is it possible in the future na magkakaroon ng mga para link growth from other parts?
Okay, so mga paps, kasama po natin sila, well, ka-construction manager dito, no, si Sir Lou, si Sir Jonax, si Sir Bart. Yan. Si Sir Jonax nakasama na natin before yan, mga paps, sa Governor's Drive.
This is yung common natin nakikita sa ito mga 1 foot. Hindi po, 330 po. 330 millimeter. Ano eh, mga at least 1/3 ng isang 1/30 kasi di ba yung ano ba yung isang 1 foot? Ano ba ang 1 ilang mm ba yun?
For 1 foot, 12 inches.
12 inches.
Kaya na rin sa English feet, ano natin. Ayan.
Alam mo Pinoy eh, ano eh, pag sinabi mo millimeter, hindi maintindihan yung
So,
millimeter.
ang tone kasi sa atin, no, nakasanayan is yung inches.
Around 1 foot din.
O 1 foot, maintindihan. Pag sinabi mong 1 mile, di na maintindihan. Dapat 1 kilometer.
So sir, yung
Nakahalo yung English siya kayong SIUH.
Tapos, di ba, pag sukat ng tela o isang yarda.
Pag tela, yarda ako sa
so atin pa sir yung connection nito from Cavitex is wala siyang extra toll naman, no? Kumbaga
Wala.
same pa rin talaga, no?
Bale, yun lang yung maglilink
Lilink,
siya o magko-connect ng Cavitex
To Calax.
Sisiling. Free.
tulay siya, tulay.
Tulay siya na elevated.
So roughly 700 meters sukat.
Approximate.
So yun na yung mga paps, so yung toll gate niya dito sa Kawit Interchange. And sa kabilang side, doon na yung Evo City, no? So yung exit nito is dyan mismo sa Centennial Road. Tatawid dito ng yan yung kalsada na yan, yung tawag dito, Advincula Avenue, no? So magkakaroon siya ng overbridge dyan, patawid sa kabila, papunta ng Centennial Road. And then from here naman, from Toll Plaza is ibang project na naman yan. Yan na yung CC Link, no? Or yung Cavitex Calax Link.
Ito na yung pabalik ng hub, sir.
Ongoing naman yung embankment works natin dyan.
So, yan po. Feel free to take photos po. But we'll send you our official photos din naman po dito after. And then, magpo-proceed na po tayo din sa next. Hahabulin na po natin yung ganda ng panahon habang hindi pa po tayo ulan. So, next stop po natin will be our open canal interchange. So, malapit lang din naman po sa makikita nyo. Although pagdating ng pag-off drive, dun po mas mahaba na yung nagiging biyahe natin. Kasi local roads pa yung mga naman.
Cause I know she's gonna win. And when they ask how I did it, I'm gonna tell them again. Oh, she's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her spread her wings. Oh, she could be the next president, riding in her private jet, long as she'll let me fly. She's alright. Girls alright. She's alright with me. She can be anything she wants to be. She's alright with me. I can't wait to see her do her thing. She's alright with me. Oh, she's alright. She's alright with me. The girl's alright. Oh,
Okay,
she's
so mga paps,
alright.
ito nga po yung Open Canal Interchange, no? Andito nga po tayo sa Open Canal or Andang Hari Extension. And sa kabila nga yan, ready to install na yung mga girders dyan, ano? Yun o, si Mami Edith, oh.
Pwede natin nagsaya?
Hindi.
Tatawid po kayo? Para makuna natin tapos.
Ngayon, tulad nga na sabi ko, more on ground shots na tayo, no? Medyo mahirap pa magpalipad ng drone dahil time constraint, no? Sa time constraint. O nga pala, kaibigan din natin, no? Yun, no? Si Christian. Mga
morning.
Babalik na, sir.
Ito na yung board file, sir. Akin na lang yan. Tapos ito, bubuhusan na yan mamaya.
Tapos year na next month or this month? Kaya this month?
By next month pa.
Pag year na. Bumalik na yung robot, ha?
Oo. So, tatapusin nila yung isang board file
Board
dito
file.
na file it.
So again, sir, clearance dito is, ito yung clearance niya yun.
5.2 from finish
From ground.
nitong local up to bottom ng girder, nasa
5.2 meters.
Standard yan. Always napapalo naman yan. Kasi iniiwasan din namin yung more embankment doon sa approach kasi.
Mataas.
So dapat nasa tama lang siya.
Yung gitna mag-board file pa dito.
Ay, hindi na. Ito
Ay.
yung apartment natin.
Diretso na dito.
Ito yung Pier 1, Pier 2 yan, then Pier 3, then other apartment doon.
Oo nga pala, no? Kasi tulay na nga pala to, no?
Ito, sir.
Body of water. May tulay tayo.
Yes, sir.
Sana solid ground.
Ang solid ground.
Para continuation na ng Calax mismo. Saan
Doon,
banda?
sir. Ito, actually, ang Calax nasa ibabaw eh.
Oo nga, oo nga. Tulay to. Saan yung ano?
Nandun sa kabila, bali apat na span na waterway.
Pakanan siya ba?
O, pag ganun tayo, sir.
WB ano to, sir?
Waterway bridge sa
2P.
Malagasan. WB1.
WB1 na.
Ito yung lumang kalsada eh. One way lang.
Itong embankment to, temporary lang naman to. Para sa platform ng
Oo. Kapal pala nito, no?
Yan yung open canal, sir. Yan yung aqueduct na
Ilang-ilang river.
diretso yan doon sa Arnaldo.
Yung Amaya underpass, matagal na nakatayo yun doon, no?
Oh, matagal na. Last 2 years na.
Ang problema doon, nakita ko yung patawid na ng Arnaldo Highway, yung malaking compound doon na bahay na katamaan ng Amaya overpass yun pag tinawid sa Arnaldo, no?
Yes, sir. For demolition na rin yan.
Ganun ba?
Halos makakuha na yun. This month, makukuha na yun.
Talaga?
Don't tell me that you're tired if you don't wanna hang. I can handle it. He can handle it. Don't act like you remember when you don't know my name. You forgot. So nice to meet ya. Don't tell me about the traffic if you're 10 minutes late. Just say it. You're late. I'm late. You're late. Don't say that you're not hungry if you already ate. You're full. I'm full. Oh, you're full, alright. Your eyes are jumping round. You're starting to blink. You seem a little nervous cause something sort of stinks. If it smells like bologna, it might be bologna. If it feels kind of phony, sounds like bologna to me. Yeah, tell the truth.
Okay, so mga paps, andito na nga tayo sa subsection 3, no? O ito na nga yung Governor's Drive. At makikita nyo naman po, buo na yung almost itong toll booth, no? And again, according sa yung meet up kanina, is ang target completion pa pala ng Governor's Drive is first quarter, no, of next year. Alam naman natin yung mga hindrances dyan, mga paps, no, yung weather. Pero as of now, parang 97% completed na yung right of way issue niya.
Tapos po, kailan ulit yung operation, yung target operation date?
Yung target natin dito, this is part of subsection 3 by first quarter of 2025.
First quarter.
May target na makompleto ito.
Okay, thank you po.
So at least to sir, 97% completed na yung right of way, no? From silang
98%
98 na.
Subsection
3. Okay. Konting-konti na lang. Pero buo na yung alignment eh. Kita na naman si Ariel kanina eh, no?
Medyo nadali lang kunti dahil sa
Weather.
Pinabag,
Malaki talaga factor ng weather, ano? Yung ano ba yan? UB ba yung sa Arnaldo Highway? Pailalim, ano?
Ito yung overpass bridge ng Arnaldo, yung dinaanan natin. So may, before that, meron pa interchange bridge dito, yung IB3A.
IB3A.
Part ng interchange.
3A, no? IB3A yun, sir, no?
IB3. So yung ginagawa dyan na sa may Governor's Drive, yan yung Governor's Drive interchange.
IB3. IB3, oo. And then dito, para siyang half trumpet yung interchange niya.
Yes, half trumpet ito.
Okay.
Doon ang loop natin sa kabila. Then mapasok dito.
Okay.
So pag galing kang Kawit, papasok ka doon sa loop, then aakyat doon sa bridge natin sa taas, diretso dito, exit. Pag galing naman dito, pag Governor's Drive ka, papasok papuntang Laguna, doon ka naman ba?
Ikot. Papuntang silang.
Sir, may question po si Sir Brad.
Hindi, kasi di ko matandaan sir kung nabanggit nyo na kanina yung flyover over.
Depress tayo, ilalim tayo sa Governor's Drive. Yan yung ginagawa na tulay natin ngayon dyan. So sa ilalim tayo.
Sorry sir, pakiulit.
Yung sa Governor's Drive, depress tayo dyan. Nasa ilalim tayo ng local road na Governor's Drive.
Parang tunnel.
Yes, saan tayo dyan? Tunnel, nasa baba.
Alright, thank you sir. Malungkot sir. Depress.
Yun yung term kasi pagka tunnel, depress.
Same way Arnaldo Highway yung sir, no? Depress yung approach na dyan, ilalim.
Depress din tayo dyan, sa ilalim tayo sa local road.
Papuntang Mayor's Drive na. Pero ang daya patatamaan dito, no?
So may itong part na to after ng Arnaldo, actually yan yung problema namin.
Right of way. So 70% plus pa lang right of way acquisition.
Yes, 77%.
Yung entry exit. Yung pinasukan natin kanina, Wilbon, ito yung tumbok yan.
Tama ba si Layton pa rin sa...
Yes sir, si Layton o Ilcal ang gumagawa nito. Then napapasok si Kwan dito si Aegis para sa FOA.
Ano yung
sa
FOA?
Mga sensor natin sa
okay.
mga back, di ba? Sila ang mag-i-install nun. By next month, mag-mobilize na rin sila dyan.
Si De Luna, wala na, no?
Wala na sir.
Wala na?
Si BSP ang pumalit. Na-terminate yung si De Luna. And then nag-hire kami ng contractor.
I will take a little trip over yonder, so I can take a look around at what you've seen. I can see from where I am you're on an adventure, in a place you can't describe. Some things can't be captured in words. So show me